it's Katie from Lady Red Crafting, and today we're going to do an unboxing with this wonderful craft company called Craftelier, and they just started delivering in the United States, and they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to do an unboxing for them, and they allowed me to pick $100 worth of my favorite items on their site. So here we go, let's open the box. Okay, so this is everything that I got. They did put a little sucker on here. Their cute little tape. Okay. And there's this nice little note here about crafting and their supplies. So let's see what we have in the box here. So this is a silicone mold. I'm excited to try this. I did get some of the clay that they have to do that with. Some nice cutters. I was really like the pink cutter there because pink is in my office, so we're gonna use that. Here's a brailer. Looks very nice, very heavy duty. Now we have a few rub-on transfers. Might be a little difficult to see here, but this has some white poinsettias, it looks like. These are going to be really fun. I really like this set here. And then here's fun Christmas ones. So most everything I got in here is Christmas themed, just because it's right around the corner here. So I thought we might as well go with the season. Here's some decorative chips. Okay. Merry Christmas, love, greetings. Ooh, this will be fun. This is the Father Christmas collection, and it's leather paper. Look at how pretty that is. And it's that fake leather. Oh, that'll be really fun for some texture and some projects. And here is a fun holly stencil with some little berries. Oh, and I'm really excited about this. This is some rice paper. And these are 8 different prints in here. So this should be fun for some decoupaging. Here's some larger paper samples that I had asked for. So these are some of the different rice papers. Love how these turned out. Well, this will be a nice, fun background as well. Here's one for Christmas. This is just a really nice, thin paper that you can use for decoupaging. Oh, isn't that cute? This will be really nice. I like this one a lot as well too. The colors are so vibrant and pretty in this. And then the last thing that I did get, this is a Craftelier storage cart. It's 3 shelves and it's on wheels. And I'm hoping that I can get this put together so you guys can see what this looks like. But I'm really excited about this for storing some of my craft supplies. So I will come back in a few minutes and show you what this looks like. So I've unboxed this storage unit, and here are the directions. And so it says that there's only 4 steps, so we'll see how this goes. So here's everything unboxed and unwrapped, and here are all the pieces. And it's really nice. It comes with all the tools that you need. So let's try to get this put together. Step 1 is complete. And now we have step 2 done on this cute little storage tray. Here we are. We're already to step number 4. Step 3 is complete. And here it is, all put together. I'm so excited to start using this in my craft room. Now here's a final look of everything in the haul. Thank you for watching my Craftelier unboxing and haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to order anything from Craftelier, the link is down in my description box below. Thank you again for watching. Please remember, craft more, stress less.